Ate naman nila.
Joke lang.
Itaas lang.
Sinakatama.
Alam, yun lang, yung green lang.
Sino nakatama?
Kumayot kayo.
Kasama sa malakang pa yan. Kasama sa malakang pa yan. Kasama sa malakang pa yan. Sino yun?
All Jambelers play basketball. First ball possession ng Gandama. 2 points of number 11 na.
Kasama sa malakang pa yan.
That is Valdez. First 2 points, 50 to jersey number 11 na. Here comes Solis. Big discard, they kick out the Polanco inside to one. The floater is not good. Kapingana. Basta siyang yellow ng Gandama basketball.
Nagtadong yellow yan. Wala yung ano, yellow ba yan?
Start now. Bluetooth mode. Connected.
Number 11 na. Valdez, diskarte sa gilid Magdoy. Naipit. Kick out, Kawali, Briggs. And Morris. But a down foul. Foul on number 24 accidentally hitting the head. First personal foul and first team foul. Number 11 Valdez. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Shot clock at 14. 10 to shoot. 2
Bang!
points on number 11, a back-to-back 2 points. Number 01, Solisa, di diskarte. The Mighty Mouse, one first teammate. Pass to Polanco, kick out. No. 2 points on 1 sa ilalim.
So far.
Number 29, Valdez. Buto na si Kawali. Kick out, the 3 points attempt is not good. Pascual for the rebound. Here comes Solis. Kick out to 1. Back to Solis. Solis papasaling sa gitna ang depensa for the 2 points.
Maliting.
2 points on Magday. 6-4 ang official score.
Wala yung taga-dak-dak.
1:14 on the shot clock. Intercepted. Here comes Valdez. 4 kontra 1 pinaglaruan pa. 2 points para kay Magday. Here comes number 2-1 Solis now. Diskarte naman. Kick out. Back to Solis. Solis, Tanny, 3. The floater is not good. Shot clock at 14. Wala pa rin. Here comes number 26 Magday. To Valdez, Titi-hit. Pinalipad sa Floy. Sa kanya pa rin. Wala pa rin. Castro, Brock. 14 to shoot. Steal. Here comes Polanco. Solis. Tanny, 3. Is not. Good back to Polanco. Wala pa rin. Another good back is good.
Uy! Foul! Foul!
Dalawa lang ang alamangan. Valdez, diskarte, kawaling back to Valdez. Shot clock down at 14. Steal again. Here comes Polanco. Number 0 on the very straight. It's not good. Bagay, Rosas, tumama pa sa kanya.
Nice to go. Uy, foul. Blocking foul.
Solis on the run. Solis ngayon. Crossover moves. Sa gitna na naman dumaan sa play ang Tina. Ang rebound. Tinawid na si Noel Valdez. Bagay for the switch up is good. Time 6 service score, exactly 3 minutes to play. Juan kakatawan, titihit, Ruber, supply. Good sa rinyan, tulog na. Bagay sa ilalim, Valdez. For the 2 points.
Hindi maka 3-pointer mo.
Solis street out. Pascal, 3 points attempt, 2. Eto na si Bagay, ang bilis. Bagay, tunod. Solis. Number 24, using the last player. Almost intercepted. Mabel na ito, kawaling dadaanan ng depensa block. 40 to shoot. 2 points. Time out. CDH. With 1 minute and 43. 1 minute and 43. Our official score is 14-6. Katong sa isang lapas ng waiting. Hanggang sa Lisa. Inside 2 points.
Thank you.
Shot clock down to 14. Valdez, the 3 points. Walang lucky bounce. Salisa, Polanco. No good. 58 seconds. 2 points. 50 seconds. No good. Rebound. The number 13, Marcelo. Agustina. Sosolisa. 1, the side shot is good. 28 seconds. For self-differential between the game clock and shot clock. No good. 15 seconds, shot clock is off. 10. 5. Wait for the buzzer. Time, that's the end. At 12.
Naman, captain ball yan.
Okay yun.
Pero yung captain ball ay.
Technical sa CDH for improper vertigo.
Valdez.
One shot. Technical free throw. Pasok ka. CDH basketball.
15, 12. 15 namnama, 12.
Ready?
Basa.
Polanco penetrating block. Rebound to Valdez. Here comes Valdez. Here comes the ball. Try! No good. Sigurado na ang dalawang unit na mag-try. Here comes number 01, Solis, is out of steam. The Polanco, side shot. Is too strong. Number 13. Rebound foul. Foul on number 11. Stealing the foul. Fagan Valdez brings the foul. Number 0. 14 on the shot clock. Another. May sumabit na naman. Foul on number 14, 19. 15. Illegal contact to hands. First personal foul. Second team foul.
MVP yung mamaya.
One out of two. Saying mo,
Shadow.
Magsay. Lugod. Rebound. Saying ball. Magsay. Valdez. Nabitawan ang bola. Salisa, Diniscarte, kick out, Polanco, naipit sa gilid, 1. There's a foul. And down foul, foul number 15, holding foul. Second personal foul. And a third team foul.
Layup lang.
Shot clock down to 14. 10 to shoot. 2 points also.
Oh.
Magdari, 3 points, score. Position score. 17-16, free throw. Mamnama at Martin. Salisa, to number 3, kick out at the spin. Try the lead na rin. Tapigan. 2 na ang bola. Mamnama basketball. Side break. Lugod. Rebound Pascual. Solis. 1. Catch and shoot. Step good. Goal to shoot. Here comes Magdal. Magdal from coast to coast. Red. Agustina Garinaw. Here comes number 01. Solis na naman. Walang po. Green the shot is not good. Substitution red. 1-4-1. Substitution. Valdez number 11 for Santiago. Another shot. Mariano for Castro.
Star!
Santiago kakapasok pa lang.
Bago ka pa, sir.
Sub. Solis for number 19. Iyadaw.
Pagod na kasi yung Solis.
Iyadaw. Good. Magkari. Nada pa. Wala ko. Karapatan foul. Foul number 24, Santiago, illegal use of hands. Una ni Santiago entering for the penalty line. Agustin. 14 to shoot. Yadaw on shoot. Usually that's good. 17 all. Time out ng nama 3 minutes and 6 seconds.
Sino yung same number? Sino yung may same number?
Bato Rimoli, 3 minutes and 6 seconds.
Kaya pala nag-
Esteban.
Shooter! 20.
Magwal ba katawanin? Sablon.
Ilan yan? 3 points, 2 points. 19, 17.
Kaya pala di niya naglaro kanina ng volleyball.
Nugget, tapikan sa taas. Magkaya na Grady. There's 1-on-1 with the contested. 2 points on Valdez.
Bawi!
3 minutes to play. How do you play? Same ball. CD each basketball. Yadaw. Opposite set with Ruber. Para merong foul. Foul number 24. Pushing foul. 2 shots. Second on Santiago in a penalty situation.
Ayun sa buka nga sir.
First loose goal.
Hindi na.
Di bali lang kung aliwan sila.
Gusto ng pass. Substitution red. Santiago, forward, Valdez. Sander Williams good. Official score. Clock. 21 all. Arroyo steal. Here comes Motley again. Napuntawa ng bola. 1 minute 16. Time out, CDH. 1 minute and 16. Yadav, number 25 is Fairbanks back to, and the team 14 to shoot, 2 points on number 24. 55 seconds, there's a foul. Foul on number 25, Malaming foul on Esteban. First personal foul and first team foul. 45 seconds. Builders through 3 seconds. One to 5. 14 on the shot clock. Esteban. Tutok, wala pa rin. 14 seconds, shot clock is off. There's a foul 7 seconds. Who's foul ulit pa? Foul number 23. Illegal contact to the hands, 2 shots. 28 rather, that is Agustin. First personal foul, second, team round. Seven seconds. 5. Wait, for the cover.
Shoot!
And that's the first half. Official score. 24 to 23. Sampai dengan game second half, third quarter ng Nama Basketball.
Hoy, bola! Namnama daw.
Ayun yung bolo balaw. Ginawa na yung bola. Anong bola? Ayun, ginawa na yung bola.
CDH yun. CDH.
Foul number 1, hand check foul. First person foul first, team foul. Music. Steal ito lang mo. Cover steal. Naman. Taylor shot is not good.
Hoy, foul.
2 points at Polanco.
25-24.
Lamang na ng isa.
Hoy.
Short. Agustin, for the 2 points. Ilawin niya agad. 14 to shoot. Out Polanco now, but moves that clock. To steal.
Gago na pabili pa yung number 0.
2 points. Crossover move, discover Pompa, Mr. Pakinggan. Agustin ang makakabulot. Nakauna na naman si Castro na naman. For the Eagles. Ang rebound, Pascual, mga katawan. 2 points. 30 to 27 official score, tatlong lamang ng namnama. To shoot. Block. 11 on the shot clock. 11 to shoot. 11 seconds to shoot.
Ayan.
8 to shoot, 2 points. Number 29 for this.
30 to 27. Close give or take. Okay na lang. Kaya alam niyo gagawin ko lang kahit
Solis. Ang bola.
ito yung isusunod ko.
Hanggang sa Mac 24.
Okay.
McCoy, 3 points this year. 3 points in McCoy. Time out. CDH 4 minutes 49. Favorite lang.
Akala ko bilog na bilog.
Siguro tinawag na ba bilog yung bilog yung hindi, bilog na kasi bilog yung bola.
Number 3, gusto. Sa kanya pa rin, fruit bomb. Alog. Shot clock 14, steal. Palako, titihit. Free shot is good. Nabitawan ang bola.
Hindi naman sila maglalaro ah.
Warning on switch number 0. Wala ko. Takit tayo mali.
Hindi naman sila maglalaro ah. Ano ba? 31-35.
One, left-handed, shoulders good. Official score. 25 to 23, dalawa lang na naman, steal na naman, Esteban. To Solis. 10 on the shot clock. 6 to shoot, that gives a foul. Follow number 27, pushing foul. Substitution. Magday. Polanco. Esteban. For Magday, Juan and Yadaw. Face on Agustin. First team foul. Shot clock reset at 14. Time to shoot. There's a foul. Foul number 8. Ush. 2 shots. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Safe pa kami ng kata. No. Wala lang.
Ay, number ba? Anong number nito? Bakit ang jersey mo?
Sumabit na naman. Foul number 3B. Illegal contact to the institutions. First personal foul. Third team foul.
Wala pa talaga.
Wala pa rin, wala naman. Level. Double bomb short. Labay. Kawaling. 2 points. Paulista. 1, stop and pop for you. Wala ka rin, bakbakan sa rebound.
Wala na si Kuya Ben. Mamaya pa yun.
Wala na, hindi naabot yun. Hindi naabot yun.
Christine. Here comes Makay. Kaya sumabit na.
Hindi ah.
Foul number 19 na. Illegal contact to the hands, 2 shots.
May pinuntan siguro.
Official score,
Meng Meng.
33 to 37.
27 nun lang. Tama.
One out of 10.
38.
38.
Here comes number 01, Solis. Lugod, Kapingan. Delta. Basket count.
35, 38.
Foul number 8. Illegal contact to the hands, first through substitution direct. Kawaling, Roy Mariano. Second personal foul. Enter mo, break the penalty. 1 minute 57. Good ang ball. Ator silang ng ating shot clock. To shoot. 2 points. Foul number 20. Penalty barrel. 1 minute 28. Second personal foul penalty.
Tagal naman ni Kuya Bilo.
Ayun na si Kuya Billy. Saan ko to? Nakakulay pink. Design ko. May design ko. Sa bilog. Ito, wala.
Substitution 1 for Marcelo. Official score. Deadlock 28 all. 1 minute 28.
Hindi na nga daw hindi. Oo.
Sorry. Sa gitna nakahanap ng buwang eat-out. 14 to shoot the good. Good back. Wala pa rin. Tatingan sa kanya naman. Another wala pa rin. 55 seconds. shot clock. Time to shoot. Free throw shot is good. 30 seconds.
Block na lang nila.
Number 5.
Hindi yan papasok.
No good. Basket count.
Umasok.
Foul on number 30. Libre contact against bounce through. Taas naman na yan, number 30. Bounce through. 14 seconds. Wala nang shot clock yan. Complete the 3-point play, 14 seconds. 10. Basket count. 7 seconds. Basket count. Foul number 24. Blocking foul. Bounce through. Sanitation foul.
Dapat shoot yan. Para...
Tatlo lang.
Shoot!
5 seconds. Wait, through the shoot. Time that's back. 24 to 41. Kabalanan. Fourth quarter ng mga basketball. Meron tayong jump ball.
Di naabot si Kuya Pera. Ayun o.
Wala. Ready?
Magdal. Castro. Rubel. Zero number 01. Solista. Inside. Kick out to Polanco. Sa gitna yata ako 14 to shoot. 10. 2 balls on the limit. 44 to 43. Isa lang ang lamang. Dribble sa Nampa. 2 stroke. Dribble sa Alisa. Kick out 1. Dribble sa Nampa. Dribble on 1. 46 to 14 favor. Magdal to Valdez. Boca.
Talo ng naman. Talo ng naman. Talo ng naman.
Bilog na bilog. Hoy!
Valdez. 40 to shoot. Magdal takes. Toward the body. No. Here comes one. PT hit. Harassing by Valdez. To Solis. Solis now. Polanco. 40 to shoot.
Kulang game.
Solis. And to shoot. 5 to shoot. Nasa na naman si Valdez. Nakalusot na naman sa Floy. Two boys. Ang number 11. Bawal. Davites. Two points. Ang Magboy.
Alam mo namang pagod ka sa
Number 41, Solis. 3 points attempt. No. each official score. Bell clock, 48 all tayo. One minute 57. 4. Almost 5 minutes. 3 seconds pa lang nakabawas. To shoot. Time to shoot. 3 points. David. Alamat tatlo. 2 points. Opa de Gusti. Number 1 serving, Steve Scarte. Shot block down for 2. Polanco, Gutierrez.
Uli.
10 to shoot. 2 points.
Bola muna.
Pinaglalawan na.
Almost 20. 14 to shoot. 10. David. Venus Valdesa. Same ball. Wala ka na, Vince Carte, sa gitna dadaanan. David. 2 minutes 58. Tab. Habilites, Wall. Pascual. Shot. Mariano. Wall. Agustin. Walang pamutay ni Castro. Noel Takiban. Valdez. Brock.
GG.
Agustin. Broncos na good. Rebound ni Juan. Here comes Juan. There's a foul. Foul number 11, pushing foul. 2 shots. 7 personal foul for his team foul. Next game, get ready. Official score. 50 all. 50 all. 50-50. Magdal, panay, reverse na agad. Pagdagang service. Three points. Airball. Last 2 minutes. Two points.
Nice one.
1 minute 50 seconds.
50 to 50.
Solisa. 1 minute and 14 to shoot. 3 points. 3 points and 1 minute 37. Isa ang lamang. 53 to 52. Follow with the 13. Sealing the foul. Esteban Fergadaw. First personal foul. First team foul. 1 minute 29. Two points. 1 minute 25. 1 minute 20. 1 minute 15, 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 1 minute 7. 1 minute 3 seconds.
Wala ha.
1 minute and 3.
All 52 no?
Hindi. Lamang CDH.
1 minute.
53 CDH.
14 to shoot. 50 seconds, 10 to shoot.
Ay na. Ay na.
45 seconds. 30.
Ay.
Namnama, 34 seconds. Official score, 59. 54 lima ang lamang ng CD.
Yan natin yan.
Binibidyan mo yung...
34 seconds. 14 ang gagamitin.
Walang problema sa kanila kung matalo. Time to shoot, 30 seconds. Oh shit.
There's a foul. Foul on number 5, Magdal Bushibay. Jason Magdal. Second team. 1 to 3 seconds. Wala na tayong shot clock. Time out. CDH. Last time out nyo na yan.
Nagtitripan na nila.
Hindi. Seryoso pa din sila.
Gusto nila malinis sa laban. Di ba?
Ayun, salamat po. Sa maagang pagbili ng merienda. Ano?
Hello, para sa akin.
Bago na ball game, 23 seconds. Shot clock is off. Wala na tayong shot clock. Basta meron ng buzzer. 23. Wala na ni shot clock yan. Seconds.
Pasa, pasa.
13. 10.
Oh.
6 seconds. 5. Wait for the buzzer. Foul, double Michigan. Three.
Aga pa.
Aga pa. Aga pa.